Hello, welcome back. Today we are working on a Trane rooftop package unit. This is serving to a restaurant, and this is not working. I checked, the thermostat was set to cool, and just came to the roof, just observing. I can see the disconnect switch power is on. Just observing the unit from the outside. I can feel the blower is running. Okay, so we're gonna open the electrical panel and see what is going on. Okay, I have opened up the electrical section. I can see the thermostat connection here, and there is a circuit breaker for the transformer. Looks okay, not tripped. So I'm gonna just check on the thermostat terminal if the thermostat is really calling or no. Okay, I have set my multimeter into the voltage, and I'm gonna check between Y1 and to the ground or common. I can't see here any common terminal, so let's check with the ground. So Y1 and ground. Wow, nothing. Let's check R. Oh, something is going on with my multimeter leads. Okay, let's check again. Ground, Y1. Oh yeah, so we have 22.9 and R 23. Okay, so the thermostat is calling for cool, but the unit is not working. Okay, so I have opened up the main electrical section. This unit is pretty new, and so I can see that. Okay, let's check the label. Okay, so condenser fan single phase, compressor 1 2 3 phase, and blower motor 3 phase. So 3 phase means if the blower motor is running, that means we have proper input supply. Low voltage we already checked, is good. So the next step is just observe why the compressor was not kicking in, even if it is getting the signal from thermostat. And here we have some small, oh, if you can see that. So it says there is a mini LED line here. It says flashing safety input open if it is flashing, and if it is solid, then the compressor lockout. So right now it's solid. Yeah, it's solid, so that means the compressor is lockout. So what we're gonna do in this case, we're gonna reset the power. So the power resetting can eliminate all the active alarm, and and we'll see why the compressor was lockout. Okay, just observing the condenser coil is looking fine, nice and neat and clean. Okay, I have turned off the power. Okay, compressor started. Okay, so the filter are dirty but not like in very bad condition, and I can see that it has a micro channel evaporator coil. Okay, my supply temperature right now is showing 81. I just want to check blower section, motor is running okay, and this is the aluminum micro channel evaporator coil. See, all the pipings are aluminum. Okay, so both unit, they are missing a P-trap. See how the condensate water is coming out. Okay, showing 65. It's too hot outside, and the same thing on this unit, no P-trap. So I'm gonna put the P-trap on both unit. Okay, so I'm gonna hook up my gauges and check the pressure, because the supply air temperature is approx 65, 64 something. It's too hot outside, but still wanna double check. Okay, I have hooked up the gauges and put my hoses through this hole, and suction pressure is 100 and discharge is like 325, which looks like a little bit low to me, the suction pressure, because its ambient temperature is too hot today. Okay, so I'm charging a little bit of refrigerant. My suction and discharge line are connected inside on their respective ports, and the yellow line I have connected with the cylinder, and we have to open this gas is charged in the liquid state, so we have to open that red knob, and before putting into the system we have to open this yellow hose opening here and let the hose purge out the air, and then we have to open slowly this section side, and slowly open and close, and we have to be very careful for this micro channel coil, because this unit has condenser and evaporator, both are micro channel aluminum coil, and these are very precise for the refrigerant. So right now it's showing on section side 125 approx. Okay, let the system stabilize for 10-15 minutes, and we're gonna check again. Okay, so before wrapping up this video, I just wanted to discuss why the compressor got locked out. This was a new unit, and we already knew that the unit was running under low refrigerant R410A, and the suction line temperature was high. Usually it is in the range of like a 55, 60, depends on the ambient temperature and all other parameters, but usually it's cold. And we also know that the compressor of air conditioning units, those are sealed, and the motor inside the compressor is sealed, and they get their cooling from the suction line. So in that case, the suction line was warm, and the compressor usually have a overheat protection, and I think that high temperature on the suction line overheated the compressor, and the overload, like heating overload, got open, and that causes the compressor locked out. Okay, so this unit is working fine now. The supply air temperature is approx 60, and because of this hot ambient temperature, and this restaurant has a lot of window and a lot of customers are opening and closing door, so this is the best we could do for that unit. And so thank you, and please subscribe, share, and whatever your thoughts are, please comment